Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ami Hakimi, and today I'm gonna make a movie review. So let's take a look at the slides. So the title of the movie that I will review is a Minecraft movie. It is a live action film based on the iconic Minecraft video games by Mojang Studios. Uh, this movie is produced by Warner Bros. And Legendary Pictures. It is released in cinemas starting 2 April 2025. The director of this film is named Jared Hess, and the production companies was Warner Bros. And Legendary Pictures. And the genre of this movie is adventures, fantasy, and family. And now we move to the synopsis and the characters. The story follows us four teenagers named Garrett, Henry, Dawn, and Natalie, who are accidentally transported into the Minecraft overworld. With help from Steve, they must survive pixelated dangers and find their way home. Expect action, humor, and classic mobs like zombie and piglins. And now we move to the main cast. The first cast is Jason Momoa as Garrett or the Garbage Man. Next, Jack Black as Steve, Emma Myers as Natalie, Daniel Brooks as Dawn, Jennifer Coolidge as Vice Principal Marlene, and Kate McKinnon as the voice of Alex. Alex is actually a dog who came from Minecraft Overworld. And now we move to the special highlights. First one is realistic and colorful recreation of the Minecraft universe. Number two, a blend of live actions and CGI animation inspired by the game's visual style. Number three, themes of teamwork, courage, and digital adventures. It is a fantasy adventures that blends Minecraft charms with themes of teamwork and bravery. And lastly, the lesson that I learned from Minecraft movie is this movie teach me that with teamwork, courage, and creativity, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. It reminds us that friendship and trust are powerful tools when facing the unknown challenges, and that sometimes the biggest adventures come from stepping out of our comfort zone and working together.